Welcome to how to change gender in Snapchat. In this video we are going to show you how to change gender in Snapchat. But before start of this video I want you to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all you will open up Snapchat and then you will go into your profile. Just tap on this option here. Then basically tap on the settings option here at the top right. And then tap on this option where it says Bitmoji. Now unfortunately you cannot change the gender of your Bitmoji if you have already selected a gender. So what you're gonna have to do is you will just simply tap on this option where it says remove my Bitmoji. So you have to remove your current Bitmoji and then you have to make a new one, and while making a new one it will ask you to select a gender. So that's how you can do this. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.